Hello, I'm Nico over from Charlie's Foreign Car in Encinitas, California. Today we have an 09 A4 with the bad timing chain problem. This is the timing chain area completely taken down. You can see here is the crankshaft right here. The cylinder head is right up here. We put all brand new valves, all 16 of them, inside here underneath each of these springs. What it did on this car is it bent all 8 exhaust valves. So you can get a close-up of that, kind of spinning. See, that valve should be straight. It is bent. All 8 of them are bent, all the exhaust valves. All the intake valves did not get bent. So when I spin it, you should not be able to see any difference there. That's a good valve. But they do have 130,000 miles on them, so we did replace them for good measure. What happened on this one, right here you can see some marring on the crankshaft sprocket. That marring, we found this to be loose, and then it jumped time. That's mounted right here, so then that's what caused all these valves to bend, all the exhaust valves. The intake valves made it through it. But a new set of chains and tensioners, and we'll have this thing back right on the road. Thanks for watching.